Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll discuss how to build a fraud detection model using machine learning in Altair's Rapidminer. So let's get started. Let's start with what is Altair Rapidminer. So Altair Rapidminer is an advanced data science and AI platform that helps individuals and businesses to analyze their data, to uncover patterns, make predictions, and inform decisions. It offers various tools for preparing data, creating models, and visualizing results, making complex data analysis accessible and easy to all users without having any prior knowledge of any coding language. So let's get started with what will be our project overview. So in this video, we aim to develop a fraud detection model using machine learning in Rapidminer, leveraging transaction data to identify fraudulent activities. Our goal is to enhance fraud identification while minimizing incorrect fraud alerts, ensuring better security for financial transactions. Uh, I have also provided the link to the dataset for your understanding. Next, now we will be discussing the project outline. So first we will start with the data overview phase. In this phase, we will be discussing various features of our data set. In the next phase, which is data bit processing, we will be loading our data set, clearing it, and replacing and normalizing if there are replacing any missing values and normalizing it. And also we will define target variable. In the model selection and training phase, we will split our data into training and testing phase. Train model using random forest and applying the model. In the model evolution phase, we'll be checking performance of the model using various factors like accuracy, precision, etc. And in the insights and learnings, we'll discuss what are the insights we got from our model. Now let's open the Altair Rapidminer tool for further discussion. As you can see, I have opened the Altair studio, which is called AI Studio. Now let's get started with loading our dataset. So we'll be importing our data from our computer. So let me import it. Yeah. So this is our dataset. As you can see, it has imported our CSV file. It has already provided the column attributes, what are its values, the what type of values it represented, like a transaction are real values and date timestamps in the date time, count balance in reals, and some values are polynomial values. So will be fraud level, which is will be our target variable. So we'll be setting its role, change role to label. Now we click on next, and they'll be choosing a repository in which we will be doing our analysis. Let's wait it for to finish. Yeah. So as you can see, our data set has been successfully imported in the Altair Rapidminer. Now let's go to the home page. So this is the home page. Here we there are various operators. Here there is a repository, and here we will running our process here, and here there will be parameters for our operators. So let's import our data set into it. Here we'll drop the dataset here, then we'll be choosing select attribute operator, which helps us in selecting the attributes which we'll be using to build our model. So we're selecting various attributes. I will be selecting some attributes, so I will select the subset option, and we'll be changing these attributes from attributes to selected attributes. As you can see, I have selected all the attributes which will be helpful in building our prediction model, and the transaction ID and user ID are unique identifiers which won't be helpful in building our prediction model. So I will click on apply, and in the next phase I will be importing I will be using the operator replace missing value. I will drag and drop it here, connect it, and the attributes are already selected. It helps, this operator helps in replacing any missing values in our data cells. So it does build by finding average or maximum or minimum values. Now we'll be using normalize operator to normalize the values in our data set. So let me get the normalize operator. Now we'll be dropping the set role operator so that we can set our target variable, or we can set a label as, so we can set a label. So we'll go to this option, then we will enter the attribute which we want to select as label. So then we will select the label option, then we will apply, and the label gets selected. Now we will be sampling our dataset using the sample operator. So we'll drop it here, we'll connect it, it's get connected. Now we'll be using relative for this. Now next we'll be connecting SMOTE operator, which helps us in upscaling our dataset, uh, because there are double fraud cases, which it will help us in balancing the dataset. So we'll select it. Now next we'll be selecting split data, so that we can split our dataset into two, training and testing phase. Before doing that, we also need to convert our nominal values of our target variable to binomial values for better prediction. So I will be putting nominal to binomial dataset operator, and we will be connected it here. And also we will be selecting special attributes also, so that we can apply it in it. I was splitting all dataset into into 70% and 30%. So I will click add entry, will write the ratio, will add another entry, write the ratio, click OK. Now our data has been successfully splitted. Now we'll be importing our model, which is the random forest. Drop it here. We'll connect it to the testing phase. Now we'll be importing our apply model, which helps us in applying our model. So now we will connecting all it to this, and we'll connecting the testing to UNIL. Now we'll be importing the performance operator, which will help us in getting the performance of our model using classification. Dropping it here. I will be connecting the lab of apply model to the performance of type of performance. Now we'll connect the performance to result. We'll connecting this to result, and we also connect this to result. And now we can run our process. I have arranged this properly for your better understanding. Now I will be running the process. So let's wait for some time for the process to get completed. Now as you can see, the process has been completed. Now we'll get to the results tab, and here we can see our performance vector. So in this we'll be seeing about how accurate is the model, our model is. So you can see the model is 90, given us 96% accuracy. So it has 96, it has predicted the values pretty accurately. Now example set, you also see the result history. You can see the random forest. Here you can see the tree, how various factors have affected the performance of the model. Apply model, you can also see here, you can also see how correctly it has predicted various values in test and testing dataset. Now that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Also we are left with insights. So let me discuss the insights about this dataset. So this model has provided us high accuracy, which shows the effectiveness of the model. The model has zero false negatives, ensuring all fraud cases are detected. Learnings, what we got from this: Rapidminer has provided an easy to use workflow based environment for machine learning model training and evolution. Feature selection and transformation tools in Rapidminer improved model performance significantly. Automating data cleaning and pre-processing in Rapidminer save time and reduce manual errors. So that's all for this video. Thank you.